They will text instantly if you do this. I'm about to show you something that's going to sound absolutely ridiculous. But if you do exactly what I'm about to tell you, your specific person is going to text you so fast it'll make your head spin. I know that sounds crazy. Most people won't believe this works until their phone lights up 20 minutes later. But before I share this with you, I need you to be completely honest with me in the comments. Think about the last time your specific person actually reached out to you first. Not you texting them first, but them genuinely wanting to talk to you. Now tell me in just one color how that made you feel inside. Maybe it's yellow like sunshine. Maybe it's blue like calm water. Maybe it's red like fire. Whatever color comes to mind when you think about feeling truly wanted. Drop that color below, because what you choose is going to tell me everything about how ready you are for this to work. Here's what most people get completely wrong about getting someone to text them. They think it's about the perfect message, or the right timing, or some clever strategy to get attention. But that's not it at all. The real secret is this. People text the people who make them feel good about themselves. Not the people who need them, but the people who genuinely enjoy them. Think about it. Who do you text when you're having a good day and want to share it? Who do you reach out to when something funny happens? It's the people who make you feel happy, right? Not the people who make you feel guilty or pressured. That's exactly what we're going to tap into today. I learned this from watching my neighbor, Lisa. She'd been trying to get her ex to text her for months. She'd send him long messages about how she was doing, ask him questions about his life, even send him memes she thought he'd find funny. Nothing. Radio silence. But then, one day, something shifted. She stopped trying to get him to respond and started focusing on how good it felt when they used to talk. She remembered how he used to light up when she'd call him after work, how he'd laugh at her stories, how easy and natural their conversations used to be. That night, her phone buzzed. It was him. He said, "I was just thinking about that time we got lost on our way to that restaurant and ended up at that weird diner. Made me smile." Lisa hadn't done anything different on the outside, but something inside her had completely changed. She went from desperately wanting him to text her to genuinely missing the connection they used to have, and somehow he felt that shift. That's what we're going to do for you today, but we're going to make it even more powerful. Here's the technique, and I need you to pay attention because this is going to feel strange at first, but it works like nothing else I've ever seen. You're going to record a voice message to yourself. Just a short one, maybe 15 seconds. And here's what you're going to say. "I knew you'd text me. I felt it coming all day. Thank you for reaching out. It feels so good to hear from you again." That's it. Simple, right? Now, here's the important part. You're going to save that message and play it back to yourself 3 times a day. Once in the morning, once in the afternoon, and once before bed. And every time you play it, I want you to feel genuine excitement. Feel the relief and happiness of someone who just got exactly what they were hoping for. I know this sounds weird, but here's what's happening that you can't see. When you hear your own voice saying those words, when you feel that genuine excitement and gratitude, you're training your brain to expect good things. You're shifting from the energy of someone who's waiting and hoping to the energy of someone who knows they're worth reaching out to. And that energy shift? People can feel it, even from miles away. It's like tuning a radio to the right frequency. When you're broadcasting, "I'm desperate for your attention," people pick up on that, and it pushes them away. But when you're broadcasting, "I'm happy and I know good things are coming to me," that draws people in. I had a client try this technique. Let's call her Amanda. She'd been broken up with her boyfriend for 2 months, and he wouldn't respond to any of her texts. She thought recording a message to herself was the dumbest thing she'd ever heard. But she was desperate, so she tried it anyway. Day 1. Nothing. Day 2, still nothing. But by day 3, something was different. Amanda said she actually started to feel excited when she played the message back. It felt real somehow. On day 4, her phone buzzed while she was having lunch. It was him. He said, "Hey, I keep thinking about you. Can we talk?" This isn't coincidence. This is how energy works. When you consistently feel good about the idea of hearing from someone, when you genuinely expect it to happen, you start carrying yourself differently. You're not checking your phone every 5 minutes. You're not analyzing what every little thing means. You're just happy. And happy, confident people are magnetic. Here's the thing, though. You have to mean it when you record that message. You can't just go through the motions. You have to actually let yourself feel excited about the idea of them reaching out. Pretend for a moment that they just texted you something sweet and genuine. How would you feel? That relief, that warmth, that little flutter of happiness. That's what you need to tap into. Record the message with that feeling. Play it back with that feeling. Let yourself enjoy the idea that someone you care about wants to talk to you. Because here's what I know about you. You deserve to have people reach out to you. You deserve to have someone think about you during their day and want to share it with you. You deserve to feel wanted and appreciated. The reason this technique works so well is because it reminds you of what you deserve. And when you know what you deserve, you start expecting it. And when you expect good things, they start showing up. Your phone is probably going to buzz sometime in the next few days. Maybe sooner. When it does, when you see their name on your screen, remember this moment. Remember that you're someone worth reaching out to. If you felt something shift while I was talking about this, if the idea of recording that message actually excited you a little bit, hit that like button. Not because I told you to, but because you're ready to try something that actually works. And if you want more techniques like this, ones that help you remember your worth and attract the right kind of attention, then maybe you're ready to subscribe. But honestly, you don't need to do anything you don't feel like doing. Here's the thing, though. This technique is powerful, but it's just the beginning. The deeper work, the methods that help you become naturally magnetic in every relationship, the techniques that make you the kind of person people can't help but think about, I only share those with people who are serious about changing how they show up in the world. You don't have to join the membership. But if you don't, just know you're missing the deeper stuff we don't share publicly. If this simple technique works for you, that's just a taste of what's possible when you really understand how to work with energy instead of against it. I only share the deeper stuff with people inside, so join when you're ready to become someone people naturally want to be around. Drop a comment and tell me, what color did you choose? And what memory came up when you thought about feeling truly wanted? I love hearing these stories, and when your person texts you, I want you to come back and tell me about it. Remember, you're not begging anyone for attention. You're simply expecting the kind of treatment you deserve. Go record that message. Play it back with genuine excitement. Let yourself feel what it's like to be someone worth reaching out to. Your phone's about to get a lot more interesting. The shift starts the moment you decide you're worth it. Everything else is just details.